What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we go any further, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. That out of the way, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to look at the 24 hours market performance. Then we're checking prices a little bit details, and we'll look at our positions to see whether we are going up, down, sideways, whatever the matter it is. Okay, then we'll do all that stuff. But before we get into that, guys, a lot of people think that when they hear, okay, now the FMOC is coming in, crypto is about to run. On the flip side, yeah, the market is about to go up. Okay, that's one thing. But you have to understand how this works, how it works. Like, for example, if there is still, let's say, an interest rate of 0.05% on the stocks and the government bonds and all that stuff that the government offers. If you have, let's say, millions of dollars on the table, you can still make a lot of money with even if it was like 0.01%. You can still make a lot of money with that. Okay, that's what people don't understand. Therefore, this rich guy, the retail money, people that buy those bonds, they are going to keep their money in the government. Excuse me. They are going to keep their money in those bonds until the government comes out and tells them, okay, zero, no more interest rates. They're going to keep it zero. That is when you're going to see those people start to move their money from those assets into crypto. That's how you're going to see it, and that's how you're going to see your projects. Not all of them, okay? Because like I told you guys yesterday, you can hold a bag of crypto, but if it's a shit cryptos that don't do anything to the community or to the world or anything, they are not going anywhere. They might have the hype right away, like we have these meme coins doing, which they go up in price, but I don't know. Well, you get the point. That is when you're going to see things like Casper, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of them. You are going to start to see them start to go up. Okay, but again, you guys, you have to understand one thing. Everybody is so bullish. Most people are forgetting that the recession is almost around the corner. That means that yes, they are going to pump everything, guys. They will pump things up. The stock market will go up. Bitcoin will go up. Ethereum, Casper, everything will go up. Okay, but what people don't understand is that once that ball starts to drop, guys, the whole thing is gonna come down crashing like a castle made of paper. That's how it's gonna come down crashing. But now the FMOC effects is not in yet. It's not in. Like I usually say, the bull run has 5 stages. Okay, right now we are on the 4th stage, in which you see that the first gear, because we still have one more shakeout. Okay, we still have one more shakeout to come. Okay, we still haven't seen it. That's what I'm telling you guys. We're about to see Bitcoin probably go up all the way $85,000, thereabout 85 or close to 90,000, and then you're going to see that crash come down. Okay, when it comes down, take off from there. That will be the 5th stage of the bull run, which some people refer to as the banana zone. That's where you're about to see Bitcoin take off 140,000, 150. Like I said in most of my videos, you're about to see this thing. They're going to push it up 160,000. If they really push it hard, we might see Bitcoin at 180,000. All of them saying that Bitcoin might go up all the way up to 250, 300,000. Don't get caught in that. It's not going to happen. All I see Bitcoin doing right now from this point that we are is a 2x or 2.5x. That's what I'm seeing Bitcoin doing. So don't let these people, how do you say it, mislead you. Don't let people mislead you. Now you have to choose. Again, if Bitcoin goes to 180,000, Casper can easily hit that $10. Even if it doesn't, like I always say, okay, you have to get prepared for the worst, because that FMOC meetings, the money from those interest rates getting dropped is going to go from Bitcoin, then everything else go down. In the meantime, that's how it's going to work until people start to discover that, hey, wait a minute, whatever that Bitcoin does, Casper can do, and even more. Okay, when people start to discover that on Casper, I can build applications, I can have DeFi, gaming, everything you want, and they're going to be performing way faster than the BRC, way faster than the BRC20 coins. And then you will see this change, the shift in the momentum start to happen. You're about to start seeing like projects start to move from everywhere else to the Casper ecosystem. Okay, so right now what we are looking at is exactly like I told you guys. Okay, I need to see Casper above 12.4 to 12.6 cents. Okay, for me to confirm the bullish momentum. Right now, yeah, we can still see Casper. If it drops down to another 10 cents again, that will be a very, very good momentum. Because it will be forming a W pattern. If you've been following TA, technical analysis, you will understand that when an asset forms that W pattern, that is it usually be like an explosive move. It will be better, because if it does that, that means you're about to see Casper like violently break out of 22 cents, and we'll be probably looking at $1. That's what will happen. But right now, if it doesn't and it keeps on, I will show you guys in a little bit. If it keeps on in this trajectory that we are going, which it looks like a triangle, like it's from a kind of triangle with 2 touches up already and 2 touches down. So it looks like that's where it's going. If we do that, yeah, we're still going up to 30 cents, like I told you guys, but the move will be slow and grinding, something like that. Unless when we get this crescendo upgrades, it's going to bring a lot of attention to Casper. Okay, so things like that. Now, if you look at the market, okay, a lot of guys, like I was telling you guys, people kind of misjudge what was going on. Okay, because a lot of people thought, you know what, if Trump comes in office, okay, what will happen? People are going to be they buy the rumor, sell the news event. They start to do that. But a lot of people misjudge one thing. While everybody was thinking that was going to be the case, I always tell you guys, follow the money. What was BlackRock doing? BlackRock was busy buying, and the proof is there. Look at their ETFs, guys. See how the ETF were blowing up, going in bags like you can't make this up. They were buying, and then people were thinking Bitcoin was going to crash. And I kept telling you guys it's not happening, because that price action has been accounted for. Therefore, you saw the price go up to 74 and then dropped all the way down to I think 65, and then take away from there. Now we're sitting at 76 or something like that, because that price action for the election was accounted for. The same thing I'm telling you guys right now about Casper. Okay, people still looking at Casper going, yeah, it's dropping, it's doing this, it's going lower. Guys, Casper, you see what it is doing? It goes all the way down to 10 cents. Look at how fast it recovers. Again, price goes down. Look at how fast it recovers. Grayscale, guys, I have no doubt about this, that they are already buying Casper, because everybody knows exactly what will happen when the government drops the interest rate to 0. Therefore, the big money, since they are no longer making any money with the bonds and the government equities and stuff like that, they are going to start looking to where they're going to make money. Then the question is going to come into like, okay, first of all, Bitcoin is already up there $95,000 or whatever. Or let's just use the price right now. Bitcoin's already up there 76,000. Now, when the interest goes to zero, where will I make more money from? Will I be making more money on Bitcoin, or will I be making more money on Casper? That is going to be the main question. Excuse me. And that, guys, is a no-brainer. I have my money on Casper any day when it comes to this, because right now we're at $3 billion market cap. Imagine Casper goes to 50 billion market cap, which again, guys, I think we're going to crush it. We are going to crush that number like some kind of popcorn, and you will see. Okay, so people will start investing in Casper. Another thing I believe that is holding a lot of people back from investing into Casper is the fact that we don't have the smart contracts on the coin yet. They don't have the crescendo upgrade. Like, you know, people like to see if you're living up to expectation. If you promise something, if you are going to really fulfill what you was talking about. Not like Cardano. You guys already know the story. I don't need to tell you what Cardano did. Okay, people like to see if you are really up to what you are saying you are going to do. So yeah, that's another thing that makes me think like people are holding back. They want to see, but you know that me, I don't wait for price confirmation. I always want to get in, and that's an attitude that I would like all of you to have. It's not financial advice, but trust me, a lot of people right now, they don't want to do what it takes to come to try to find out where to buy Casper. They're waiting for Binance, they're waiting for Coinbase, and then they will be sure that yeah, we can get in there right now. What they don't understand is that those exchanges, they are already accumulating Casper right now. There is writings on the wall everywhere. Okay, they are chief financial officers, their CEO, they're in contact with the Casper team. They're already doing it, and you don't want to wait until the last minute, because guys, trust me, you see this move that Casper is starting right now. When it breaks out, like I told you, if you take this symmetrical triangle or this ascending triangle, the target is going to be up there 30-40 cents. If it forms that W, okay, let's say price goes all the way down again to 10 cents, 10.1 cents, and then take off away from there, we are looking at Casper going at even at higher, or so we're talking about probably $1 Casper coin. Okay, that's what a lot of people are not paying attention to. Okay, so yeah, the FMOC meeting is a good news, very good news, because assets are about to run, but it's not something that is going to happen overnight. A lot of people need to understand that the last one they had yesterday, yes, they cut again, but they are not at zero yet. I think the next meeting is when they're probably going to put it at zero, and then you are going to see everything starts to run. Okay, because like I said, they're going to pump it, whether you like it or not. They will pump the stock market, they will pump crypto, they will pump everything up. We're going to get up parabola banana stage, the 5th stage of the bull run. But guys, the fall is going to be epic. That's why I told you guys, I'm going to short the living Jesus out of this meme coin when the time comes. Anyways, now let's go to the market right quick. Let's go see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, let's check first with the crypto bubbles. Let's see right here. Let's look here. Crypto bubbles. Okay, see the entire market is still fairly good. Some coins are doing good, some others just kicking along. Let's start first with King Casper, KAS. King Casper, for the past hour we are up 0.98%, 2.7% down on the day, 3.6% down on the week, 16.1% down on the month, and 34.8% up on the year, with the market cap of $2.82 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $99.07 million. Looked like the market cap went down a little bit. So yeah, that explains why the price is a little bit lower today. You know, yesterday I think it was close to $3 billion. Anyways, now, if you look at the quant, the coin that a lot of people love to hate, they don't understand the value of what they're looking at. But anyways, quant is up 0.64% in the last hour, 1.2% down on the day, 4.9% up on the week, 7.1% down on the month, and 42% down on the year. sitting at the market cap of $895.11 million and a 24 hours trading volume of $24.12 million. You see that yesterday we were 12, so the trading volume is picking up slowly. Now let's go look at Jasmy, JAS. You got it up 0.66% up in the last hour, 3.4% down on the day, 16.5% up on the week. Guys, look at that. 9.4% up on the month and 270% up on the year, with a market cap of $986 million and a 24-hour trading volume of 117 million dollars. See that? So it looks like price came down a little bit. I told you guys that 2.3 cents is a very big resistance. But anyways, now let's go look at the prices in a little bit of details. Where is my trading view? Right here. Okay, we're starting with Casper. I want to start on the 4-hourly. Come on the 4 hours, and then you can see this. This is what is going on with the Casper's price action right now. We are forming this ascending triangle. Let me extend this line all the way up there. There you go. We are forming this ascending triangle. As you can see, we have 2 touches at the top, and we also have 2 touches below. Let me get my arrow right quick. Where is it? Where's my arrow? I'm gonna get that. There you go. My arrow here. We have 2 touches at the top. 1, 2, actually 3 touches. And the bottom we have 1. We just completed the second one. Okay, what I'm expecting, again, like I told you guys remember I told you guys we came up, got rejected, got tried again, got rejected. Now look, we are trying again. I'm expecting it to go up again and try this. Okay, go try one more time and see if maybe this time we're gonna be lucky enough with enough momentum and break this resistance at 12.4, 12.3, 12.4 there about. Again, there is also another possibility, because when you look at the ribbon, it is turning red. Okay, it's another possibility that price might come down all the way down again to this 10.1, 10.2, and that's what I've been telling guys about. Like, if we form this W, like you see, first leg, and it comes all the way down, second leg, and form up, the momentum here is even going to be even more. It's going to be like really higher, and the explosive move it will take from here, this will take Casper to $1 faster than a lot of people think. But although right now, looking at the screen, looking at the chart, it is showing that Casper is forming this triangle. Okay, we are just going in, up and down until we get normally past 70 or 80% of the triangle, and then it decides where it wants to go, whether it want to go up or down. Although, like I said, the market is showing that Casper is about to break above. That's what I'm looking at right now. If you go on the 1 hourly, let's see if we find anything different. Actually, nope. I think the price is looking to go up, because as you can see, I usually tell you guys, look at the ribbon. It's red, but it's curving already. So yeah, it looks like this thing is about to go up. Okay, get above the moving average, and let's see if we can go try to break this resistance up there. That's what I'm looking at right now. So anyways, now let's go straight right quick, go look at QNT, QNT, Quantum Binance. There, Quant is basically doing more than we were expecting. Okay, because you guys know, I told you guys, price usually get attracted to the moving average. Once we get above it, that is even like a very bullish momentum. Yesterday when we looked at it, where's my arrow? Right here. When we look at Quant, you can see we broke above the moving average, went all the way up, tried the resistance, got rejected. Okay, again, now look at it, came above, climb above the moving average again. The moving ribbon still green. So yeah, I'm expecting this to strive to go up again. If you look at this structure, it looks like a bullish flag, which with the pole right here, and then you have this zigzag movement coming down. We try to break below it, but look at how fast people bought it. So yeah, it looks like we are going to go up, and the target of this flag is all the way up to $68 for Quant. Again, you guys got to understand something. This right here is just the beginning of something way bigger. Like I usually tell you, you got to zoom out. You've got to zoom out. Look at quant on the weekly. On the weekly, I did draw my fib retracements, and that is something that every trader need to learn how to do. When you draw your fib retracement, you are going to know that the next point of price action is going to be way up here. Okay, $124, $125 quant. That's what we're looking at. After that, we have this one here at 150. What is that? $190. And after that, we have the golden pocket, which is $285. Again, those are prices that I am looking at, because whatever you see right now is just the beginning of something bigger. Bitcoin has broken out. Okay, other stuff are broken out, and now you're about to see the rest of the market starts to follow. Okay, that's what you're about to see right now, until we get Bitcoin at probably, like I said, $85,000 or $90,000, and then probably take a breather, and everything else is also going to do the same. So yeah, you shouldn't be afraid of the price action right now. Let's go look at Jasmine right quick, because Jasmine is working like very interesting. It's looking very interesting, not working, sorry. If you go to the Binance chart, you guys remember, I told you, I am still a little bearish on Jasmine until I see the price go above the 2.3 cents. Okay, let me go. Oh, sorry. Let me go here right quick. As you can see on the 1 hourly, look at this. This is so, wow. Look, 1 hourly broke above the moving ribbon. Okay, like I said, one thing you gotta understand, that price usually get attracted to the moving average. It's too far away. Okay, so I wouldn't be surprised to see Jasmine try to meet this moving average again and then bounce away from that. But the ultimate target is this 2.3 cents. We need to break this before. If Jasmine cannot break it, we are not going anywhere anytime soon. But once it breaks and uses that with the daily candle as a support, then you know that Jasmine is taking off. Okay, that's exactly. Right now, you want to take a chances. You can open up a trade just like I did. But anyway, excuse me. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Right here, 4 hourly tells the same story. Okay, look at this. It was going down until we broke above the moving ribbon, broke above the moving average again. Now see, we have it coming back to retest the ribbon, and again, look up there, 2.3 cents. Until we get above it, there is no way Jasmine is going anywhere. Everybody can still thinking, like, if you look at the overall sentiments, look it down, we have a downtrend, and this downtrend has been broken. Another thing I'm looking at Jasmine right now is like, yeah, the downtrend has been broken, but we haven't come back to retest it. Okay, we haven't come back. We need to come back probably around that 1.9 cents, retest it, and then take away from there. Maybe that is what is happening right now with this price action coming down. So yeah, let's just watch Jasmine and see exactly what it is going to do in the next few hours or during the weekend. You guys already know crypto usually moves different during the weekend. So yeah, I'm expecting this thing to probably come down to 1.9, or probably depends on what it does, because I already see here, look at the moving average, it's already curving upwards. So it might serve as a support, bounce off it, and then let's try again, see if we can break that 2.3 cents. Okay, so far that's what I'm looking at. And again, you got to zoom out. Okay, I told you guys in every of my updates, I usually try to remind people the bigger picture here. Okay, the bigger picture, Jasmine is in this cup and a handle. See, cup and a handle with the breakout point at 4.5 cents. If you break above 4.5 cents and close a daily candle above that price target, then yeah, Jasmine is going to 60 cents. That's the target of this cup and a handle that you're looking at right now, is 60 cents. And that's why I say this run, for me, I think Jasmine, the top out is going to be at 60 cents. Now let's see what the is doing. If the lockup goes out perfectly, then yeah, we'll probably be looking at $1 or $2 Jasmine. Depends on how much is the lockout of their total supply. Okay, so yeah, that is what we are looking at right now. So yeah, that's what we are looking at right now. You gotta just be patient, you know, have your trades open and get ready, because there is money. Excuse me. There's money, a lot of money to be made with just doing like leverage trading. Okay, but again, guys, I advise you to do leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money so easily. You can lose your money. That's how a lot of people make exchanges make money, because a lot of newbies, they jump into these things and they don't know how they work, and then they start to lose their money. Understand? But if you do, anyways, what I would recommend, okay, not financial advice, start with $5. If you can turn $5 into 10, and then $10 into 50, that will serve you as practice. Trust me, it will feel like you're losing, the market's going on, you're losing, but trust me, the more you practice this, there's always going to be pullbacks, there's always going to be entry points you can always take, and then you can start trading bigger and bigger. Okay, if you are really confident, below I do have my links for my Bydfi and the Phemex links. Sign up. They're giving free bonuses right now. They're giving money, $2,000-$3,000. Use that money, start trading. If you meet their deposits, bonuses, okay? If you meet their deposits, then yeah, they give you the money, you start trading, and you start making money. You can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Again, that part I don't care, as long as you make money. Now let's go look at my positions right quick. Let's start first with my Bydfi. Bydfi right here, right there. See, that's as always, they always have promotions for people signing up. They get you free money. Yesterday, you guys remember, I was up $8,000. The markets kind of corrected, and I'm still up today, 7,700. Okay, doing perfectly good. If you look at my contracts, you will see that here for my Casper, because the market corrected, I went back down 65%, which is which is $4,000, almost $5,000. Okay, for my quant, I went down. I'm still down 16%, which is 7,174. Okay, again, do not do like me, because I do trade at high leverage, 50x right there. Okay, don't trade like me unless you know what you're doing. Okay, so now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On my Phemex right there, let me sign in. I am still up right here, $12,000. Okay, and then when you look at my contracts, you will see that my contracts on my Jasmine, wow, Jasmine doing pretty good. I am still down, but it's still like 19%, which is 2,200. On my Casper, I am still down 57%, which is 3,300. Again, do not do like me, guys, because as you can see, I trade at high leverage, 50x right there. That's what I trade at. Okay, now let's go look at my last but not the least positions, which are on Margex. Again, guys, for beginners, I will recommend for you to start trading on Bydfi or Phemex, because these guys, because these guys, Bydfi and Phemex, they let you scale up your positions. That is pretty good for beginners, because let's just say you are trading and your liquidation point is at, let's say Casper is at 10 cents. What these exchanges let you do is that they let you add up on your margin. When you add up or scale up your position, your liquidation drops. That way, if you keep adding more money, you will not get liquidated. You will not lose that trade. But Margex does not allow you to do that. So you have to be very, very careful. On Margex, if you try to like lower it, they won't let you, but they will let you lower your leverage. Like let's say if you are 20x, you can lower it down to 10x, but that is going to cost you a lot more money. You understand? So you have to be careful. If you're a beginner, trade on Bydfi or Phemex. If you know, if you have experience at what you're doing, or if you don't mind losing that money, then yeah, you could try Margex. Now let's go look at my Margex positions to see what they're doing today. Right here, Margex. Let's open that one up. I'm gonna go to trading, and I will get to my trades. And as you guys can see, you guys already know I do have 5 trades open on this one. The first one, the market corrected, price came down. I'm still up 102%, which is 1,030. We multiply that by 2 because I have those 2 trades open. On the third trade, I am down minus 1%, which is $38. The fourth and fifth trades, I am down minus 3%, which is $159. Yeah, these trades right here, I keep monitoring them because I tell you guys, it looks like we about to make us some serious money with this thing by the time Casper starts to really take off. Okay, so there you have it. Don't FOMO in because of the FMOC meeting, because guys, that pump is coming. It's not yet, but you want to have your positions on spot, on leverage, on whatever you want to trade on. You want to have those positions ready. That being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers.